We're given a sentence like the sky is blue, and we want the words in reverse order, so it becomes blue is sky the. Notice we reverse whole words, not individual letters. We also want to tidy up, so any extra spaces at the ends or doubled up between words get squeezed down to single spaces. The clean approach is 3 moves. First, we split the sentence on white space, which conveniently drops all the extra spaces and gives us a tidy list of words. Then we reverse that list, using 2 pointers, one at each end, swapping and stepping inward until they meet. Finally, we join the words back together with a single space between each. Split, reverse, join, and we're done. First, we split on white space, which gives a list of words with no empty pieces, so the extra spaces vanish for free. Then we reverse that list with 2 pointers, swapping the ends and walking inward. Finally, we join the words with a single space and return the sentence. Let's build it live and throw some messy spacing at it. Split on white space to get a clean list of words, then place a pointer at each end. Reverse the list by swapping the outer words and stepping both pointers toward the middle. Join the reversed words back together with single spaces and return the sentence. Now let's test it and hit run. Nice and tidy. The sky is blue becomes blue as sky. The messy hello world collapses to world hello, and a single word stays put. The flow is split, reverse, join. Split the sentence into words. Put a pointer at each end, and while they haven't met, swap and step inward. When they meet, join the words back with single spaces. How fast? Splitting scans the sentence once. Reversing the word list is linear in the number of words, and joining scans the characters again. So the time grows linearly with the length. The list of words takes linear extra space. 3 reminders. First, calling split with no arguments is the secret weapon here. It drops leading, trailing, and repeated spaces automatically. Second, remember we reverse the order of whole words, not the letters inside them. And third, join with exactly 1 space so the tidy spacing we promised actually happens.